In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Gmail not sending emails. If you've hit send and nothing happens, don't worry. This is usually caused by a few simple issues you can check and fix quickly. We'll walk through 3 practical checks: your internet connection, your recipient's email addresses, and your Google storage. Stick with me and try them in order. First, confirm you actually have a stable internet connection. Open a couple of websites in another tab, or refresh a news page to see if they load promptly. On a phone or tablet, toggle Wi-Fi or mobile data off and back on, or quickly switch airplane mode on, then off. If you use a VPN, try turning it off temporarily to rule out a routing hiccup. A quick speed test can also reveal if your connection is struggling. After that, reload Gmail and try sending again. If everything on your end looks fine, it may be a broader service issue. Search for the Google Workspace Status Dashboard and check if Gmail shows an outage. If it does, the best move is to wait until Google resolves it, then resend. Next, double-check your recipients. A single typo in an address can stop an email from going out, especially when sending to multiple people. Carefully review each recipient line, to, CC, and BCC, for misspellings, missing characters, or stray spaces. Make sure the domain is correct, and the address uses the standard format with the @ symbol and a valid domain ending. If you copied addresses from another source, paste them into a plain text field first to strip any hidden formatting, then paste back into Gmail. When possible, select contacts from your saved address book instead of retyping. If you're replying or forwarding, glance at the recipient list to ensure it didn't pick up an old or incorrect address. Finally, check your Google storage. When your account storage is full, Gmail can't send new messages until you free up space. Look for a storage warning in Gmail, or visit your Google account storage page to see your usage. Free space by deleting large emails you no longer need, especially those with attachments. After deleting, make sure to empty trash in Gmail to actually reclaim the space. You can also remove unneeded files from Drive and old photos or videos from Photos. Give it a minute or two, then try sending your email again. That's it. Confirm your connection, correct your recipients, and clear storage if needed. With these checks, most stuck emails start sending right away. If this helped, try sending a test email to yourself to confirm everything's back to normal.